Hi all. So in this video, let's see something about the Mendels cell division, that is about the mitosis and the meiosis. So we all may wonder, like, who is the person behind the, the groundwork that was done for the easy understanding of the genetic transformations. So it was none other than Gregor Mendel, who was the father of the modern genetics. His pioneering work with the pea plants that laid a groundwork for the genetic understanding one. So, with this basic introduction, let us go into the topic. First of all, we are going to understand about the mitosis and the meiosis stage in this. So, what happens in the early stages is this division of the cells. So, this is the basic fundamental biological process which takes place, and the two main types of the cell division is the mitosis and the meiosis. So that is much essential for the growth, repair, and the reproduction of the cells. So this is a simple diagrammatic representation how the cell division takes place, with an interphase, early prophase when it is in a late prophase and metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and the interphase changes, like how the division of the cells occurs. And coming to the mitosis, so what we know about mitosis is nothing but it is a process for the growth and the repair of the cells. So the outcome of this mitosis will be two identical daughter cells. So when it undergoes a mitosis phase, what happens is that from the interphase to prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase and the cytokinesis is the stages that undergoes under the mitosis process. So it is mainly done for replacing the damaged cells and the tissue growth cells. So in order to suppress the the growth of the damaged ones, they go in for the growth and the repair process. So this stage we call it as the mitosis. And in as I told, in stages of mitosis we undergo prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telo, and the cytokinesis. So prophase is nothing but the what happens is the chromosomes that are present in the cells get condensed, and in metaphase these chromosomes will align to the equator, that is they will form at the one point. Then in anaphase the chromatids will get separated, and in telophase the two new nuclei will be formed, and in cytokinesis the complete cell division will be occurring. And next is the significance of mitosis. So through significance in sense, like by the process of mitosis, what we obtain, there will be a role in tissue generation and repair, and asexual reproduction, that is identical offspring. It will maintain a genetic consistency in the daughter cells. And other significance is that it helps in growth of many multicellular organisms, also in reproduction of unicellular organisms. It will help in repairing if any injured cells are present, and also it will bring about a replacement for the dead cells by introduction of the new cells. It will help to maintain haploid and diploid nature of the cells, and also it will maintain a qualitative and quantitative ratio of genetic material between the parent cell and the daughter cell. And at last it will maintain a nucleocycloplastic ratio between the parent and the daughter cells. So these are the few significance by the process of mitosis. Coming to the meiosis. So meiosis is a process where the sexual reproduction takes place, that is uh, the in mitosis process is similarly different by from the meiosis process. So in meiosis what happens is that here they process for the reproduction phase. In mitosis they just go in for repair and the growth. So here outcome of this meiosis is four non-identical daughter cells with half chromosomes will be produced. That is much essential for creating the gametes. So here there are also few stages of meiosis. Those are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, and the prophase 2, similarly up to the telophase 2, but resulting in the four haploid daughter cells. So what happens in each phase is that first the homologous chromosome will pair and it will make a cross pair, then they will be aligned at one point, then they get separated and then form two new cells each and a half chromosome. So in the phase 2 it is the same process to mitosis, but it results in, as I told, four haploid cells. And by the process of meiosis, the significance of this is mainly it will introduce some genetic variation, it will maintain the genetic stability, also it will crossing over the leads to new combination of genes, and also each haploid gamete carries one gene for a particular characteristic cells. Independent assortment of chromosomes mixes up combinations of chromosomes, and also much easy to evolutionary success of species. Due to the crossing over, the exchange of the genetic material between the homologous chromosomes will be ease, and genetic diversity in the sexual reproduction will occur in the process of meiosis only. So this is something about the mitosis and the meiosis concept. So from this, Mendel's contributions were Mendel pea plant experiment, law of inheritance, that is segregation and independent assortment, and the link to the cell division. And the chromosome behavior in mitosis and meiosis validates the Mendel's theory. So thank you.